This is what I hear when I ride gravel in Arkansas. Did you hear that? It's so loud, it's crazy. And it gets louder. And to top it off, there was a street right to the right called Spooky Lane. Are you kidding me? This is it. Good times.